rock right there's got agates on it. That's weird. What's that?
I don't know.
You're like, I don't know, I'm not digging that fucking pile of bones. Yeah, look at that.
Fuck these guys.
Jagged rocks right there.
Yeah. I wonder if they're like power line inspect. No, they're not fucking flying around the power line, so.
The tail's orange, like Coast Guard, maybe. It's not the coast.
It's not the coast.
I mean, like,
I'm thinking it's probably Air Force trainer.
National Guard.
They have special permission to be able to fly this low. Coming right at us now.
Flying in the wind.
He's got to clear the power lines, but there you go. Let's see it, bud. Let me get them tail numbers.
Tail numbers for obviously has permission to do it. That's cool.
Fucking jealous as fuck. Come pick me up. I want to go. How come I can't go?